welcome to Maths for Friday. Don't forget that before you start the lesson, get your brain ready for maths by doing a number fluency game. Let's go check our learning intention and success criteria. We are learning that mathematicians can order objects. Our success criteria is, I can order 5 objects from shortest to longest. Today we're going to keep ordering objects according to their length. Can you tell Teto what you think ordering means? That's right. Ordering means putting things in order. When we order, we always put it from left to right. We start over here with the first object, and the last object in your ordering goes on the right hand side. So when we're ordering according to length, the shortest object goes on the left hand side, and then the objects get longer and longer until you get to the longest object on the right hand side. Yesterday we found 3 objects and we ordered them from shortest to longest. Today we're going to find 5 objects and order them again from shortest to longest. Here I've got my 5 objects. I've got a paintbrush, some shampoo, some baked beans, some essential oils, and my umbrella. I'm going to compare the lengths of these objects and figure out which one is the shortest, which one's the longest, and which ones go in between. Let's go get started. If I leave them like this, it's really hard to compare their length. Remember, we need to make sure that all of the ends are lined up along the starting line before we can compare their lengths accurately. So let's do that now. So now that I've lined up all of the ends along the same point, I can easily see which objects are longer and which objects are shorter. Can you help Teto by pointing to the shortest object that you can see? Good job! This one. That one is the shortest object. Let's put it over here. Which one comes next in our order from shortest to longest? Can you point to it? Good job! The baked beans. Let's put those over here. There's 3 left. Which one do you think comes next after the baked beans? Well done, this shampoo. Let's put that one next to the baked beans. Okay, there's 2 more. So one of them must be the longest one, and one of them comes after the shampoo. Which one comes after the shampoo? The paintbrush, that's right. That means that the umbrella must be the longest object. Do you think so? That's right. So here are my 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are ordered from shortest all the way to the longest one. As you can see, as you go up in the line, they get longer and longer. I've made sure that I've ordered them from left to right, and the shortest one is on the left and the longest one is on the right. When I draw them, I'm also going to make sure that the bottom of each of the objects starts at the same point, so that's really easy for someone else to see that they're in order from shortest to longest. Let's draw them now. Can you see how I've drawn them all starting at the same point on my whiteboard? That way it's really clear how long each of them are, and you can see that they're in order. When you finish drawing them in order from shortest to longest, you can also label the shortest one shortest, and the longest. Longest. Shortest, longest. So your job today is to go and find 5 objects in your house, compare their lengths, and then put them in order from shortest to longest. Then have a go at drawing them, and if you want, you can label the shortest one and then the longest one. Don't forget that when you're comparing the length of the objects, make sure that each of the objects are touching that starting line so you can compare the length of the objects accurately. Have fun, everyone. I'll see you next time.